Hello, what's going on, beautiful people? Today I have a new Apple Magic Mouse 2 to unbox. I think this mouse was launched actually back in 2015 and it's not that new, but it's still the newest mouse developed by Apple. I have never used one of those before, so I'm pretty excited to give it a try. First, we are going to check it out, how it feels like, how it looks like, and in the end of the video I will sync it to my laptop, to my Mac, and try out the gestures. So be sure to watch the whole video to get everything. So this mouse is very small. I can definitely feel how light it is and tiny in my hands. I'm used to the gaming mouses from Razer, so it definitely feels different for sure. It's also very minimalistic, doesn't have a scrolling wheel or the separated to left and right buttons. I noticed the on and off switch, which I will probably forget to turn it off, and I wish it had some mechanism to turn itself off after some time not being used, to save some battery at least. But I couldn't find any information on this. Let me know in the comments in case you know if this thing can do that. It comes with this lightning USB cable, which also annoys me a little bit since I can't connect this to my Mac without a USB to USB-C adapter. But luckily enough, I do have one of those lying around somewhere in the house. Another point is that the charging input is located on the bottom instead of on the side of the mouse, making it impossible to use and charge it at the same time. That's it for the aesthetics of the Magic Mouse 2, and now let's check it out how it connects to the Mac and the gestures. So here we are with the Mac and the Magic Mouse. To sync with the computer, we have to connect the mouse to the Mac using this cable, and as I mentioned, I do have an adapter to do that. A few seconds after connecting, I already see a notification saying that the mouse has been synced, and once I remove the cable, it shows you again in the middle of the screen that the mouse is connected wireless. The scroll wheel is replaced by gestures, and simply sliding the two fingers up and down makes the screen scroll. Tapping the mouse is a zoom gesture, but honestly I don't think this is that useful. I probably won't be using that. The zoom is not very prominent, and for other purposes like digital art creation with Photoshop or something, I have other tools that do this even better. Pressing the right side is just like pressing the right button of any mouse, and sliding two fingers to the side switches between the two applications or more that are open. My final thoughts are that although beautiful and easy to carry in any purse, it's not the most precise mouse I have ever used. Sometimes can be hard to click on small specific spot, for instance. Have to say that my Razer Death Adder still rules here. Furthermore, the scrolling behavior is not that perfect. It gets stuck a lot, and sometimes I push the mouse itself around because it's so small that it can be challenging, for me at least, to hold the mouse in place while sliding my fingers. Sometimes I switch back to the trackpad of the computer just to slide up and down, so yeah, well, maybe it might be just a question of getting used to it as well. In summary, the Magic Mouse 2 can be a nice addition to your office. It's easy to carry around due to its size and weight, but in my personal opinion, the magic is not that astonishing. And there you go, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it to support me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!